Hey Daniela, this Raise the Bar webinar series is really loaded with good stuff. We're going to talk about how organizations can take advantage of the cloud, but is that enough to get them to watch?
Good question, but we're going to be specific. Let's look at one of the examples that we talk about in the webinar. We have many customers that have traditionally used physical tapes to back up some of their most critical data. And they get to a point where with growing data, this solution becomes cost prohibitive and difficult to manage. With AWS Storage Gateway, there is a cloud-based solution for exactly this use case. Tape Gateway enables customers to switch from using physical tapes on premises to using virtual tapes in AWS. And, as we discuss in detail in our webinar, by leveraging Tape Gateway, we've seen customers save up to 70% in cost compared to using physical tape backups. So, at less than a third of the price of the on-premises solution, moving tape backups into AWS is really a no-brainer.
So it's really just all about savings.
Actually, using the cloud option with Tape Gateway offers many benefits. For one, Tape Gateway is a drop-in replacement for physical tapes. You don't have to change any of your existing backup workflows. You can also easily manage your entire deployment from one place without leaving your desk. And Tape Gateway is designed so you can meet various security and compliance standards, from FedRAMP compliance to meeting specific tape retention policies. And finally, Tape Gateway has built-in capabilities to make your tape backups and archives as efficient as possible.
I like it. But we have to let people know how easy it is to get started.
Well, it's actually pretty simple. You can get started with AWS Storage Gateway in 3 easy steps. But if you want to learn more, you'll have to watch the webinar.